If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Bitcoin update. Today for Tuesday 24 January, we are looking at the market still trading at 22,983. People feel quite relaxed right now because the green candles is certainly going to make you feel relaxed. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean that just because you pump to the upside, you're going to move to the downside. There are conditions, there are terms and conditions that you have to accept when you read that agreement letter, whenever you want to do TA on a daily time frame especially. And that is, a lot of major coins are still looking to continue just a little bit higher. And it seems like January is going to end to be a green month. And I hope it does end to be a green month. And it's actually important because if I dive once again into the monthly time frame, we want to see the prices and this one big green candle making its way up to 27,000 by the end of January. And we also have 6 more days for that to happen. I just want to see the volume as well and how the volume looks like. Now if you look at the volume, so ladies and gentlemen, that volume is amazing volume. On the monthly time frame, this is the first volume that has been so high next to this last volume that you had back in October 2022. Now you also have a very amazing, incredible looking volume at the moment. And the icing on the cake, if you want to have an icing on the cake, you need to close at $26,000. And maybe in the beginning of February, you can retrace all the way down to 23,500 and try to backtest 23,500 to continue to move to the upside as well. So that's one thing you got to keep in mind. The second thing is to come into the daily as well. And I want to talk about the daily time frame actually because it's important. If you look at the daily, I talked about the smart money concept. So if you look at these 3 white soldiers and amazing beautiful candles right there, it's very clearly evident that the smart money were interested to come in and buy Bitcoin, and they did actually buy Bitcoin. And not only that, but you can see right over here, we also have this little bit of a continuation pattern on the daily. What I'm going to do is take the trend line again and drop the trend line just like that, and we potentially might be on a journey to move all the way up to this technical target in the next coming 3 days actually. So my take is probably you're looking for 25,657 and you still also have 26,700. So that's pretty much it for this Bitcoin quick update right now, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.